What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What is going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
MEMECOIN millionaires. That's it. Win Lambo, win Tesla, all the way down to win Pinto, right? The biggest dream in crypto for DeFi, you guys all know, is to be a meme coin millionaire. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how it's done, how to do it, and when can you be first. It's like we're going to go through the probability of this actually happening and then give you some other alternatives. Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so we're going to go through some success stories real fast of actually trading meme coins. So let's get right into it. We know meme coins, they're primarily driven by the power of community, sentiment, and hype, which may explain why they're so volatile. Now, we all have heard of Pepe. If you haven't at this point, where have you been? Because 2023 was a crazy year so far with Pepe coming out and taking the market by storm. This thing hit $1 billion market cap super quick, and it made a whole bunch of other meme tokens come out pretty much to try to capture that same hype. Now, this ain't just about Pepe, but let's see how long it would take to become a meme coin millionaire, depending on which coin you got into. So Bonk would have taken you 7 days. Arb Doge AI would have taken you 13, Pepe 14, Wojak 15, Dogelon Mars 19, Ignore FUD 31. You got Floki 130, Baby Dogecoin 222 days, Shiba Inu 453 days, and the longest one, Dogecoin, would have taken you 2,701 days. Man, if somebody could hold for that long, Jesus Christ, what is that, like 10 years? Like,
Yeah, that's a very long time.
But anyway, so investors were drawn to Pepe due to its mimic power and the opportunity to capitalize on a buzzing surrounding meme coin. One such investor turned $27 into a $1 million fortune within a very short span of time. This tale's astronomical gains underscores the potential profitability of meme coin trading. Pepe's journey also serves as a reminder of how volatile and unpredictable meme coins can be in the market. It reached a $1.6 billion market cap in just 3 weeks, and now it's on the decline a little bit. Now, we've all heard of Dogecoin and the Doge father. He initially invested $180,000. He poured every dime into the investment. Wouldn't necessarily say that's a good idea, but it worked out for him, and he made millions. So good on you for that one. That's one story. Then we got Shiba Inu. There was an investor in Shiba Inu that was anonymous, and they turned $200 into a multi-million-dollar fortune as well. So now we got three. We got 3 stories so far of millionaires for meme coins. It's not looking too good on that possibility. But how much money would you need? Shiba Inu, $12. Dogecoin, $820. Floki, $4,508. Dogelon Mars, over 20K. Bonk, 26K. Baby Doge, 28K. Ignore FUD, 57K. Pepe, 158K. Wojak, 175K. And Arb Doge AI, you needed 190K to become a millionaire. So that is a ton of money for some of them and not so much for others. But there is a dark side to meme coins. They're unpredictable, man, and that can concern a lot of different people. The market value of these assets swing wildly, and also they don't run off of what traditional financial markets actually run off of. They're all speculation, and hype. Those are the 3 things that they're powered off of. And, you know, you can potentially gamble like the Doge father did when you put all your money in and like literally liquidate everything to buy in. That's a gamble right there. So, you know, at the end of the day, meme coins are making people money, not millionaires most, but some life-changing money. So Hobbs, what do you think?
I think that the realization that you need to come to is everybody's not going to be a millionaire in meme coins. Is it possible? 1000%. I think that it's more realistic to set your standards at a 10x, a 20x, heck, even 100x is more realistic than I'm going to put all this in and hold till I'm a millionaire. I think that it's more important to have a trading plan, an entry, an exit, an exact amount of money or projected amount of money that you plan on making, but more importantly, having a projected amount of money that you're planning on losing. And that is half the battle. Once you accept the loss part of it, then the winnings become much easier to gain, right? If you can accept that loss and know that that's the potential loss that you're going to incur, Everything else is just fine. We made this story because not because we want to hate on people making money and becoming millionaires on meme coins. No, we just want to give you the reality of it. The reality is not everybody's going to make it, and that's okay. You can still make a little amount of money and be completely okay in meme coin world. So, Jay, your thoughts?
Yeah, no, I completely agree. At the end of the day, just building out your wealth over a long period of time is going to be way easier than hitting the next, 1,000x on a meme coin. I mean, in that article, there was maybe probably about 10, I think, on the list that actually made people millionaires. But think about the thousands, hundreds of thousands that come out every single day. I mean, you got to be early, you got to be lucky, you have to be able to hold that long. A lot of people can't even hold to $1 million. To be honest, I know I probably couldn't, right?
No,
So
I'm out at 100K.
exactly. So at the end of the day, investing is a long-term, not a short-term game. And I mean, it's just easier to grow your wealth instead of trying to hit a home run.
100% agree, man. But you guys let us know what you think down in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and catch myself and Jay Seals on the Clear Cryptos educational channel. But my name is T Hobbs, and we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.